Want to enable WhatsApp backup? In this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, open the WhatsApp on your device. Make sure to log into your account. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to tap on these three dots at the top right corner. Select the option of Settings. Once you're on your settings, scroll down and tap on Chats. Once you get here, you should find the option of Chat Backup. Tap on that. Now, if you find the option of backup, go ahead and select that. Now it's going to say backing up messages. It will take some time. If you haven't added a Google account for your chats to be backed up, you want to tap on the Google account option. Then go ahead and enter your email or phone number over here. Now tap on the next option. Follow the on-screen prompts to add your Google account here. Next, you want to choose the frequency. For that, tap on automatic backups. Now select if you want your backup to be daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap backup. If you do not want the backup, simply tap on the off option. Now, Wi-Fi is recommended for faster backup, especially if you have lots of media. If storage is full, you may need to clear space in iCloud or Google Drive. Restoring chats require the same phone number and same Google account you backed up with. In this way, you can easily back up on WhatsApp, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.